everybody, it's Terri Gaines. I'm going to give you some assembly tips on this cute little shower favor. It says hugs and kisses from the soon-to-be missus. You can also create these as wedding favors, and the text reads hugs and kisses from the new Mr. and Mrs. So let's get started. For the box, I'm going to use the clear tiny treat boxes sold by Stampin' Up. You get 16 in a package. And the first thing I need to do is remove the protective film from the box. Before I form the box, I'm going to tie the ribbon around the lid. I find it easier to do that while the box is flat. I'm going to put the ribbon underneath the front top flap and have the tail on the right-hand side. The right-hand side is going to do all the work. It's going to go over and under the ribbon from the left side. Then I'm going to make it tight with no twist in it and make the right one a 12 o'clock position and make a loop from the 6 o'clock position. And the 12 o'clock is going to go over the loop and then right through the opening. And as that goes through, you're going to pull each loop and then just make the loops to the right size, make it snug. A tip, I leave my ribbon on the spool while I'm tying my bow. It gives you waste less ribbon. I'm just trimming off a little piece there and then trimming off here. So there we have our bow on the lid. So the next thing we need to do is form the box. There are instructions, as I mentioned, so you want to just fold each score line. And for the bottom, the gold post tabs going in first, the two sides go in next, they click into place, and that last one goes in next and clicks into place. So there we go. And then we got a little tab down here. I put 7 of each of the hugs and kisses into these little treat boxes, and they work perfect. They will be very nice. So this tab, I consider the back. That's why I put the ribbon up here. Oops, there we go, and this will be the front. To make the little circle text, I did that in Word, and if you jump over to my blog, createwithterrigaines.com, I have a download of both the shower favor and the wedding favor. And then what I'm going to do is punch this out with a 1 1/4 inch circle punch. Just punch that out. And the next we need, so you got 21 of these per sheet. You get 25 bows per 10-yard spool of ribbon. For the metallic foil paper, you will get 64 per 12 by 12 sheet. So punch this out with a 1 3/8 circle scalp punch. I'm going to use our Stampin' Up snail adhesive and adhere the circle to the scalp, and then the Stampin' Up dimensionals. I use 3 for this circle, and you get 300 in a package, so you'll have enough for 100 of the dimensionals. You get 2 sheets of the 12 by 12, so you'll have enough for 128 in one package. And there we have a cute shower favor. Hope you enjoyed this project. Jump over to my blog to download the PDF with all the supplies and the instructions. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.